All right, here's your after-hours market recap for Wednesday, March 25th.
So stocks did rally today, but honestly, the real story was oil taking a $2 hit.
First up, let's get right to the closing numbers. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, it finished the session up a solid 0.7%.
The S&P 500 managed to gain 0.5% on the day.
And leading the pack was the Nasdaq Composite, up 0.8%. But, and this is key, stocks finished well off their highs, stalling right at their 200-day moving averages.
So, what was behind all this? Well, a conflicting story on U.S.-Iran relations pretty much dominated the day.
We saw some early optimism on reports of a U.S. peace deal, but that was quickly walked back by Iranian denials.
And you can see the result right here. This news sent oil prices tumbling over 2%.
Now that pullback in oil gave the broader stock market a nice little tailwind.
Let's see how this all shook out across the different sectors.
And the split is pretty clear. Materials were way up, while energy was the only S&P 500 loser.
Digging in a bit, materials, consumer discretionary, and healthcare all had a really strong showing.
Inside the tech space, it was a real tale of two markets. Chipmakers rallied while memory stocks got hit.
Communication services lagged, mostly weighed down by that big social media addiction trial verdict. Okay, shifting to after hours, where some key earnings reports are definitely making moves. So you've got Miller Knoll and Worthington Steel falling hard. On the flip side, Navan is gaining on strong guidance.
So what does this all mean for tomorrow's trading session?
Well, it really boils down to three things you need to keep on your radar for the open.
And don't forget, we've got the weekly jobless claims report coming out right before the bell.
Which leaves us with a big question for Thursday. Do we get a breakout or a reversal?